This tutorial will be showing you unlimited Telegram Cloud online storage completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Just to show you that this works, guys, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, circles and squares, Telegram download is completely for free. You will get an unlimited cloud storage. Don't believe it? Check this out. Telegram GB storage limit, you get 2 GB. And as you can see, you get to enjoy unlimited storage in Telegram Cloud for free. Once Telegram has been opened up and loaded, this is how you can access the unlimited file storage. Go to the top left hand screen and then click, and now click new channel, and you're going to create a new channel and then click create. In this case, you can even have a public or a private channel and you can save. In this case, you have successfully created your Telegram channel, and you're probably wondering, how do you send files? You can drag in whatever files that you would like on Telegram online completely for free. You can send the file, and once it has been successfully uploaded, as you right click, you can choose to pin your file, show in the folder, save as, copy the post link, or even forward this online completely for free. Remember, you have 2 GB to send per file, but it's unlimited